In this video, I'll guide you through how to bulk send bills in Clio Manage, a task that can save you significant time and streamline your billing process. As you probably know, handling billing efficiently is crucial in any business, but it can sometimes be a bit overwhelming. Luckily, Clio Manage offers a simple way to send multiple bills all at once, making your workflow smoother and helping you focus more on what matters most to your clients. First, make sure you're logged into your Clio Manage account. Once you're in, head over to the left-hand side of your screen and locate the navigation menu. From here, you'll want to click on the Billing tab. This is where all your billing activities are managed, so you'll spend a fair bit of time here if you're handling the invoicing for your firm. Next, within the Billing section, find and click on the Unpaid sub-tab. This section is specifically designed to help you manage any outstanding invoices that need your attention. It filters out all the bills that are yet to be paid, giving you a clear view of what you need to work on. It's a handy feature that keeps your billing tasks organized and makes it easy to see exactly where you stand financially with your clients. Once you're in the Unpaid section, you'll see a list of all the unpaid bills. Here's where the magic happens. You'll want to select the bills you wish to send out. You can do this by clicking the checkboxes next to each bill. If you need to send out all the unpaid bills, Clio Manage allows you to select all with just one click at the top of the list. This feature is particularly useful if you have a large batch of bills to send and you want to get them all out in one fell swoop. After you've made your selections, take a look at the top of the table list view. You'll notice a bulk action toolbar has appeared. This toolbar is your gateway to performing actions on multiple items simultaneously, which is a great time saver. In this case, since we're focusing on sending bills, you'll want to click on the Send option in this toolbar. By doing this, Clio Manage will start the process of sending out all the selected bills. This feature not only saves you time, but also ensures that your billing is consistent and timely, reducing the possibility of any oversight. Remember, keeping your billing prompt and professional reflects positively on your practice and helps maintain good relationships with your clients. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully learned how to bulk send bills in Clio Manage. This process allows you to manage your invoices more efficiently, making sure you stay on top of your firm's financial health without getting bogged down by tedious administrative tasks. This is just one of the many features Clio Manage offers to make your work life a little bit easier. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out our other tutorials to make the most out of Clio Manage. Thanks for watching and happy billing.